As the world readies for a new dawn, DeepSeek V4 emerges as a seismic leap in AI programming power. The stage is set by DeepSeek's V4, described as a qualitative leap beyond prior iterations and rivaling the best in closed models. First, V4 targets the throne of programming with unprecedented code generation and debugging prowess. Second, it masters ultra-long context handling, capable of understanding tens of thousands of lines of code at once. Third, the model's reasoning outputs become more tightly reasoned and coherent than ever before. Fourth, DeepSeek emphasizes efficiency, achieving strong performance with fewer hardware resources. The narrative of V4 is rooted in a history. V3 sparked a global look at OpenAI and other leaders, while R1 ignited a true inferno of open-source momentum. V4 is reported to blend the strengths of foundational capabilities with reinforcement learning-guided optimization. An advanced training framework aims to scale models efficiently without solely expanding chip counts. A breakthrough called MHC addresses long-standing instability by constraining signal growth along a mathematical manifold. The MHC approach employs Sinkhorn NOP projections to keep signal amplification in check during training. As a result, the training instability that plagued large models is dramatically reduced, enabling reliable scaling. The rumored capability to surpass Claude and other top models in programming tasks has everyone watching closely. Ultra-long context handling turns into a productivity multiplier for engineers managing huge codebases. The company's open-source heritage, clocked at MIT licenses, continues to shape the ecosystem around V4. R1's reinforcement learning backbone elegantly blends into V4 to sharpen reasoning under pressure. The research trail includes a breakthrough paper on manifold-constrained hyperconnections, a foundational shift for stability. In hardware-limited environments, V4 promises high efficiency, delivering competitive performance with fewer chips. Experts anticipate a possible distillation path, enabling lighter-weight versions for consumer hardware. Multimodal capabilities remain a mystery, with industry watching whether image and audio inputs join the code-centric strengths. Pricing and open-source plans could redefine value, potentially offering top-tier programming power at a compelling cost. Looming questions include whether V4 will continue to be open-sourced under MIT or shift strategies. Speculation hints at a possible distillation release to broaden access and accelerate adoption. An anonymous beta on a model arena hints that V4 is closer than we think, ready to challenge Claude head-on. The narrative tempo mirrors the Lunar New Year window theory, suggesting timing as a strategic advantage. If V4 truly surpasses Claude in programming, the implications for software development could be profound. Beyond code, there is curiosity about whether V4 expands into broader cognitive tasks and multimodal intelligence. The story of DeepSeek is a blend of algorithmic artistry and disciplined hardware pragmatism. As engineers await real benchmarks, the air is thick with anticipation for a software revolution fueled by V4. The DeepSeek saga ties to a wider open-source renaissance, redefining global AI capability. Cameras, researchers, and developers brace for a new era where a single model changes the software landscape. In the countdown to release, the world waits for DeepSeek V4 to demonstrate what elite programming looks like. Whatever comes next, DeepSeek has already woven a narrative of resilience, efficiency, and audacious ambition.